Hi, I'm Catherine, the creator of Shia and the Jetsons Community Preservation of the Promised Land. I want you guys to please send this out to we gotta expose. I want you to meet Cockeyed Shelly. This Cockeyed Shelly. Cockeyed Shelly. Yeah, look at it. Woo! Look at that lizard. That is a whole Cockeyed Shelly. She sent me an eviction notice because I bid it for the land. They're still trying to evict me out of my apartment for nothing. They are here's her information. Here's Cockeyed Shelly's information. This is her prison number and everything, because this bitch going to prison. Okay, so when I bidded for land in July and June, they sent me, and this is the courts. These are all of the people are criminals right here. This is the criminal court that evicts everybody from their homes in California. I sent this. If I'm evicted, you're evicted. So the manager is trying to put me out of my home for rightfully bidding for the land right here, 5 acres of land to build the promised land, because I create the promised land. And and I was sent. The city council, who is Chinese, China lives here. They're criminals, and they came over here and they're removing us from our homes. Well, they sent me to put the land to build for to build the promised land right here. They sent me the document and the land right here. Here's the 4 acres that they're talking about right here in front. Okay, it's right here in front. It's right there in front. Well, when I bidded for the land, I guess they thought I was white or something, because they're really racist. Kim Lee and Angela Robes are Mexican and Chinese people who are racist of black people. They're racist of indigenous people like myself. So when I bidded for the land, they gave me eviction notice. They, just keep giving me an eviction notice. But every time I reply legally, they always come up short because they're guilty. They're real criminals. This is what they did. And read what they said. They said if I don't respond within 5 days, that nothing's going to save me. Read it. Nothing's going to save me from an eviction if I don't respond in 5 days. Okay, so what I did was I responded with letting them know that if your sheriff comes over here to physically remove me from my home, the sheriff is going to die. Okay, so your sheriff, Cockeyed Shelly, your sheriff is going to die, Cockeyed Shelly, because you believe that you could just, and if you've ever been evicted from the attorney, these are the most criminal attorneys ever, from Kimball, and then it's Tirey in St. John, California. They live in Irvine, California. Here is their address and phone number. They work in Irvine and they live in Irvine, California, but they come into the communities and evict you from your homes. So they evict indigenous people from their homes. They are the worst criminal housing court organization in California state. And they've been removing us since 1970, since the 60s. Yes, these people here, they are responsible for removing you from your homes. Look at their faces. They work, and this is what I answered. So I answered within 5 days. I let them know that if I'm evicted, so are you. And these people are so racist that somebody else was complaining that they would call you the N-word. Yeah, these people will call you. The law firm that evicts you from your home calls you the N-word when you're being evicted. So your enemies is calling you. A law firm is calling you when they were never supposed to approach a courtroom. So lawyers are criminals right now. When you're supposed to represent yourself. You're not supposed to have a criminal lawyer accuse you and kick you out of your home. That's a crime. That's why Hitler was murdering them. That's why Hitler was murdering, statesmen, council, landlords, managers, mayors, governors, senators. He was murdering those people. He weren't murdering just people on the street. He was murdering people that was removing you from your homes. So please get this out to we have to send this video to Cockeyed Shelly to let Shelly know that yes, I did answer. I answered you within 5 days, bitch. Yeah, send your sheriffs over here and he's gonna be wrapped up in plastic. I'm just letting you know. Yeah, we're gonna let him in. Yeah, so the bitch can be wrapped up in plastic because I have a right to defend myself. The Safety Act law is in effect, and the reparation law, California reparation law, is in effect. Based on housing discrimination. This is why reparations is in effect because of you criminals. Shelley, Crawford, Okay, so this is your information. Okay, so please share this. This is going to be another video detailing more details, but I just wanted to get this out so that crook-eyed Shelly can understand to shut the fuck up and mind your own fucking business. Okay? All right.